Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue and pink color, a vertically splitted border, pallu, and we have zari lines on it. Blue portion, the zari lines are done with a contrast color, pink color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with one side royal blue shade borders. The saree is having beautiful half saree model. The top half we have fully printed portion on cream base, royal blue used for the printing. And you can see the diagonal way it is printed, and the portion increases like, and a grey portion starts in the here, and once it goes to the lower part of the saree, it's almost a half and half pattern. Beautiful partly saree with a beautiful design. The borders of the saree are in the pink base color itself. It comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue pallu with pink base for the block prints, cream used for the block printing, and we have contrast pink blouse piece. The royal blue color is given for the one side blouse piece border. The complete saree is in the royal blue shade here with the printing in the opposite base color of pink. Mango design and beautiful floral design is given in the bottom. Elegant saree, the combination is very different and beautiful with authentic silk work. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a royal blue and pink in the pallu with zari lines. The same royal blue color blouse piece with one side pink borders. The saree here is in beautiful pink shade in the top, a light pastel pink, a mild onion peel shade color with the lower half having the prints all over. It's a very different beautiful hexagon shaped design printed along with the florals, and we have royal blue borders for the zari border base. Different combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful multicolored pallu. We have rusty orange, pink as well as green in the pallu along with the block prints and zari lines. And a very contrast green. It's a beautiful olive green shade color blouse piece with one side the rusty orange color borders. The complete saree is having the green border for the base of the zari border, and here we have a beautiful colors in the saree. The mid part of the saree is something in a reddish rusty orange color. On the top and the bottom we have pink prints, and the between portion we have the cream portion that is having a green and yellow prints. Beautiful saree, multiple printing, and the colors of the saree is really beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful light green color, a very different light apple green shade with the pallu having black block prints and zari lines, and same green blouse piece, plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. The complete saree is having beautiful golden zari border, very elegantly. Along with that we have a printed border next to it. It is done using very elegant black color. The prints is done black in both side borders, and the middle part we have a green print which is in a mango design pattern. Elegant saree, simple and beautiful with authentic silk work. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar. And here we have an apple green brighter shade saree with prints all over in maroon color. You can see the Egyptian printing done in the pallu, the pyramid's face design, and we have the same color plain blouse piece, golden zari borders all over the saree along with the blouse piece, and we also have a thin border that is also in maroon base color here. Beautiful printing. You can see the pyramids, the ancient concept printed, and the saree have beautiful prints all over, a floral and stripes kind pattern all over printing, and the lower half we have the tribal kind printing done. Different saree, very different concept with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep purple shade color pallu, a very elegant color for the pallu, contrast one with zari lines, and the same color for the blouse piece, pallu color blouse piece, contrast one for the body with zari borders in both sides. The pallu blouse piece also has zari borders, and here we have an excellent design, very beautiful, very different and trendy design it is, all over a painting kind design batik done in a very beautiful way. Multiple colors used for it, and we have deep black used for the floral printing on the saree. We also have the purple color for the zari borders here. Beautiful one, very colorful and different one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep rust color pallu with very elegant light orange shade prints, and we also have burgundy color for the prints with zari lines. The same light orange color is the blouse piece here, body color. This is the body. The deep rust color is used for the printing on the light orange shade color. We also have a semicircle pattern printed here and there using the burgundy dark brown shade. The pallu color is given for the borders also. Very different printing all over, very different saree in different color with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful light radiant green shade color saree and same color pallu with zari lines and beautiful block print design done using the blue shade in the pallu, and we have light green. It's almost an apple green shade with one side a beautiful deep brown color borders, some maroon and brown mixed border. On it the antique zari is used here for the zari border. The complete saree is in apple green with maroon prints, very different prints it is, and we also have the blue given in the both side borders. In the lower part of the saree, this is a half saree model kind. The lower part have different type of printing in the same color, but all over it's being printed. Blue is used more in the lower part. Excellent saree, very different designing with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful green pallu. It's a kind of forest green color with very elegant zari lines. Same green blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. The complete saree is also having the forest green for the base of the zari border, and we have a mustard yellow color body. Beautiful color with the prints all over done using the same green, which is done vertically in a very beautiful way, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green pallu with light green, light yellow mixed green color base. On it the block prints is done. The same yellow mixed light pastel green is given for the blouse piece here with one side dark green borders. The dark green border itself is a parrot green. You can see the border here. Very elegant design. You can the starting of the chest part, the diagonal design starts, and it almost goes to the 3/4 of the saree inside. You can see the design. It's really beautiful. Vertical part printing in the lower half, and the upper half we have the normal motif design printed. Multiple colors used for it. Beautiful pastel shade saree in a green combination. This is very pretty with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk sarees, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a royal blue color pallu with zari lines and block prints in the pallu. And we have same royal blue blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is. The saree here having a beautiful zari border all over done using golden zari, and the royal blue base. Top portion is completely plain with the border design alone in the contrast maroon shade color. On the lower half we have the cream color base with the prints which is very different. You can see a girl design. Very elegantly it's been done. Excellent concept, bright saree with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed foiled tussar fabric. Here we have a pink saree with pink pallu, and we have block prints in the royal blue shade. We have vertical block prints in this pallu along with the zari lines. Golden zari used for the zari lines here. And the pink blouse piece, the body color blouse piece, running one with one side the royal blue borders. The complete saree is having zari borders on royal blue base here, both sides. And you can see the pink body base with the royal blue prints. Two different printing. The top half we have the floral small flower design, and the lower half leaf design is printed. Very beautiful one. Excellent design with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink saree with block prints in deeper shade pink and royal blue as well, and we have the golden zari lines, deep pink color blouse piece. It's a contrast blouse piece, little darker shade than the body. The complete zari border is in the base of pink itself. You can see the beautiful golden zari border. The saree have beautiful prints as well. The triangle shaped printing horizontally done in both sides of the saree using royal blue, and we have beautiful printing in the top body with motif designs. The lower half body is completely printed with the triangle pattern, and it is done in the vertical way. Different saree, really different, with half saree pattern, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey and pink in the pallu with beautiful prints, floral design, and we also have zari lines vertically done. And we have a contrast blouse piece, complete magenta pink with one side grey borders. The complete saree is having grey borders with beautiful zari border on it. The saree here basically is in grey shade. With top and bottom we have pink base and cream color used for printing. We also have a big polka design printed using the grey. Different color combination and very beautiful collection. An exclusive one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue color saree with prints in pink color. Ultimate contrast combination with pink blouse piece. Very elegant blouse piece with both sides a royal blue color border. The complete saree is having royal blue borders with antique finish zari. The body of the saree is pink. Top and bottom we have the same kind of printing, and the middle portion is printed closely with the royal blue shade, mango design. Really beautiful saree, a colorful, excellent collection with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. With zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a red pallu with zari lines, and we have same red blouse piece, pinkish red it is, with very elegant combination of half white. The complete saree is in beautiful creamy half white color, light sandal mix half white it is, with all over printed using red. And here we have a vertical printed design, a twigs pattern with very elegant zari borders in both sides with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey, dark grey color pallu with zari lines, and we have little lighter shade grey blouse piece. Pallu is little blue shade grey, and complete grey it is in the blouse, and we have the body in pure red, which is very beautiful with all over printed design using cream color. Both light grey as well as the blue mixed dark grey is given in the borders with the zari border also. A very elegant and different combination saree with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Beautiful pallu here, dual color, orange as well as pink in the pallu with zari lines, and we have a very beautiful pink blouse piece with one side orange borders. The saree here is in cream color, fully cream, plain cream color. With top we have orange borders, and the lower half we have the pink. A very beautiful Ganga Jamuna concept, and block prints is also very elegant with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful green, a deep green color, a parrot green and a deeper shade color blouse pallu, and we have maroon prints, and we have the as usual zari lines with the body color blouse piece. It's a light green and yellow mixed shade. The whole saree is in the same color with green prints. The top portion of the saree is fully printed with green and maroon, alternately in 3 different designs. And the lower half we have the just butta design and only border design printing. Kind of a half saree model in the printing. Otherwise it is in same color, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a orange color, a rustic orange color saree with black prints in the pallu, and we have zari lines also in the pallu. Same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is with zari borders. The printing here is done in beautiful way that the middle part have the palm leaf design printed using black, and the lower half we have a checkered kind pattern, 2 different designs printed, a floral as well as a black design, which is also a floral. Very different pattern, all over printed one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a blue, a royal blue color pallu with brown base for the zari lines vertically, and we have a light blue, which is something in a copper sulfate blue shade color blouse piece with one side the brown border. The complete saree is having a brown base border. It's almost a burgundy brown with the golden zari border. And here the pattern of the saree is very different. You can see the leaves pattern in the lower part and the polka dots pattern in the top, and the polka dots are done using brown. The leaves in the royal blue base, and the pattern, it's like a staircase. It lowers and then again the staircase pattern increases. And when it goes to the lower part of the saree, vertically the printing is done. Alternatively, both designs are given. A very different saree, very different printing with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep blue, it's almost a navy blue shade color pallu with pink portion in the pallu vertically given. We have zari lines as usual, and we have the zigzag lines portion also, which is block printed. And we have a pink blouse piece, running color, body color with one side the deep blue block print design. The complete body portion having the borders in the deep blue, the navy blue shade. Antique zari is given, and the saree here is in beautiful pink, almost a magenta pink shade with a triangle pattern running in the lower half of the saree, which is in the blue blue. We also have the polka dots design done in the printing. Cream is used for the polka dots. Different design, it's really different with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green saree with green pallu, and we have a deep maroon color shade prints in the pallu along with the zari lines, and same light green shade, little lighter green blouse piece with one side the darker green borders. It's almost an apple green shade with very elegant maroon prints. Brown and maroon are used for the printing. The borders we have a very elegant tribal pattern printed, and the middle portion we have the butta designs, and the saree have a half saree pattern as well. The same printing is done in a vertical way in the lower portion. Different one the printing is done in the half saree model with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue pallu, kind of navy shade blue with block prints and zari lines, and we have body color yellow blouse piece with one side blue borders in the saree, the blouse piece. The whole saree have the same blue for the antique finish zari base, and we have the top completely in yellow and the lower half in cream color with the prints in the blue. Cream color base and printing done using blue. Kind of a checked scribbles pattern, very beautifully done with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue shade saree, light blue, the copper sulfate blue for the pallu with base for the zari lines in dark blue violet color. And the same violet color is given for the blouse piece, which is very contrast. Saree here is completely in the mid portion is completely in copper sulfate blue. Top and bottom we have violets with lady face design printed. Very different and beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a brown and black shade color pallu with beautiful block prints, and we also have zari lines, which is beautiful and golden color. Same deep brown color blouse piece with one side blue borders. The saree is having a very different combination, blue and brown. You can see the middle part of the saree is completely in beautiful royal blue, and top and bottom we have zigzag pattern as well as the brown color. We also have the zari borders in the brown base. Beautiful saree, elegant and with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders with a beautiful boiled acid washed Tassa fabric. It is soft and lightweight one with a beautiful maroon pallu. And we have the same maroon given for the blouse piece. The pallu have zari lines and blouse piece is plain. The saree here is very contrast cream color with the prints in blue. The borders are also in the greyish blue color. Prints are very different. You can see vertically a curvy lines pattern done with very elegant dots pattern as well. Beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu. The complete saree color, the pallu color is in a very different light green shade. Excellent different shade it is. sea turquoise and sea blue mixed shade color. And we have the prints in the choco brown color. We also have zari lines in the pallu. The same colors, the blouse piece color also here. Plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. The complete saree is having the same color concept with the top completely a printed one. Choco brown color is closely printed here with both horizontal and lines pattern. It is a like very beautiful design, trendy one. And the lower half is completely printed with the floral and a different design, which is also done as using the choco brown and blue. Beautiful saree, very different block print here, which done exclusive pattern with authentic silk.